too easy. Just go to the ferry terminal, drive on, drive off, just like BC ferries. Oh, yeah. Little side trip to a pizzeria, but nothing more than...
What a crazy deal that was, eh? So we met with Mike last night. He arrived on schedule. And that's Alfonso. We are traveling down south. We still have 1,400 kilometers to go to the border with Guatemala, so we're gonna have to head up. I have a terrible toothache. It's been bothering me for quite a bit now, and so I'm just gonna go see a dentist. We're going to see Dr. Thomas Garcia. Ok, aquí estoy.
Dale. Bajando tantito. Ahí. Eso, ahí. Abriendo.
Con cuidado.
Sí, no, sí, nada más así. Abriendo grande. Bien. Aquí, ahí molesta.
Exactamente.
Abriendo. Perfecto. Esta parte es la que molesta. Listo.
Sí, exactamente.
Es la tercera molar.
Sí.
Es la muela del juicio, la última.
Sí, sí.
Ok. No tiene espacio para salir.
Sí.
Está tratando de erupcionar, de salir,
Sí.
pero no tiene el
El
espacio.
espacio, claro.
¿Qué es lo que hay que hacer? Quitarla a fuerza. No hay otra solución. Eso, mero. Lo que estaba era abriendo espacio para que entrara la pinza.
Oh, this is terrible.
Tranquilo.
Okay, now. Sorry.
Way down here, you need a reason to move. Feel a fool, running your stateside games. Lose your load, leave your mind behind, baby Jane. Oh, Mexico, you sound so simple, I just got to go. The sun's so hot, I forgot to go home. Guess I'll have to go now. Americana got the sleepy eye, but his body's still shaking like a live wire. Sleepy senorita with their eyes on fire. Oh, Mexico, you sound so sweet with the sun sinking low. The moon's so bright, like to light up the night, make everything alright. Baby's hungry and the money's all gone. The folks back home don't want to
Mexican border with Guatemala.
Just waiting.
Only a minor hiccup. Great. Worked out well. You've done it.
Finished?
Finito.
We're all good?
Yep.
So we're all clear
Start
to...
again.
Now that guy was a friendly guy.
Yeah,
Which
nice.
guy?
Last guy. He was cracking jokes.
Here we
So
are.
we are done with Mexico.
Southbound again. Don't know if I'm gonna leaving home.
Usted, así se le prepara su churrasco. Venga, usted, párese adelante. Aquí le vamos a servir. Tenemos varias quesadillas, varias quesadillas, tenemos garnachas, varias quesadillas, la otra de garnachas. Tenemos saboreadas de las tradiciones garnachas de este lado.
Seem like boys by rule. So every single time roll across rolling river time. Every single time roll across the rolling river time. Look at the same old feeling every time I'm moving down the line. Every time. Southbound again. Last night I felt like crying, I cried.
Well, here we are. We're playing a game called Where is Michael? 3 times today. He's gone right by us, didn't see us. He said he needed gas. We've gone by 3 gas stations. We've chased him, and now we're somewhere, and he has no maps. So we're a bit worried, but we'll find him.
And I'm gonna keep on trying.
Okay, so we found Michael.
I'm here. I'm here.
Update. So what's happened today, Michael?
I have been lost 3 times, and I am convinced. I'm convinced that these guys are actually, they have like a camouflage tent that they put over themselves and they hide.
Yeah,
But it's good. We have technology.
that's right. So Roberto, I talked to the video camera in town about Michael and the 3 little adventures, and the policeman actually pointed us to Michael. So go down that way.
Yeah, go
it's
down that
okay.
way. I'm notorious now.
Se li cammina per la strada senza nemmeno guardare per terra. Sei una donna che non ha più voglia di fare la guerra. Se li ha patito troppo, se li ha già visto che cosa ti può crollare addosso. Se li è già stata punita per ogni sua distrazione o debolezza, per ogni candida carezza, dato per non sentire l'amarezza. Senti che piove, senti che bel rumore. Sally cammina per la strada sicura, senza pensare a niente. Ormai guarda la gente con aria indifferente. Sono lontani quei momenti quando uno sguardo provocava turbamenti, quando la vita era più facile e si potevano mangiare anche le fragole, perché la vita è un brivido che vola via, è tutto un equilibrio sopra la follia, sopra la follia.